from Craft Salon. I'm here today with Morgan. We're going to be showing you a tutorial on the double layer halo from ABHAIR. Stay tuned for the tutorial. Today we're going to be using the AB double layer halo. It's 22 inches long and it's all human hair, so it's a super good quality. It's easy to install and super easy to style. To begin, you're going to want to take basically a halo section just completely around the head, leaving out the hairline. I would say probably maybe 2 inches above the ear is good to be safe. Just kind of scooping down in the back. You're gonna clip off that top portion, and the first part that's gonna go in is the actual halo. So that is gonna go right over your parting. And then this all gets let down over the halo. And you just can pull the hairline right out in the front. So now the top of her hair is sitting right over the halo. The next step is going to be adding the double part. So now I'm just going to begin by taking another section on top of the previous one. So what you want to do is give the clip something to kind of secure to. So take a section of hair, just kind of like a little panel, and I'll do like a little light hairspray. And then just the light back combing, really just once is good, right on top to give it that little bit of texture. And you can open the clip and just kind of scoop it in, right in the center. And then I like to work out to the sides, that way I know that it's in the middle. That's in, you can let all the hair down. Now we're gonna go through, and I'm gonna use an 1.25" iron to kind of do like a loose curl throughout the whole thing. I'm gonna section off the front and just start working in the back. Now I'm working from the bottom up in the back, and I'm actually like, I have dropped her hair and some of the halo hair, and I'm gonna curl them together. That way there's no like separation or anything like that.